Did you know there is a simple, colorful root vegetable that can boost your energy, improve your workouts, support your heart, and even give your skin a natural glow? And you can drink it right from your kitchen. Stick around because today we are talking about beet juice, a real game changer for your health. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. T. If you're new here, I share easy, simple, science-based health tips and recipes you can actually use in everyday life. And today we are talking about the power of beets, especially beet juice, how to prepare it at home, the best add-on for maximum benefits, and of course, who shouldn't drink it. So, why beets? Beets are loaded with nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. That's a huge because nitric oxide helps your blood vessels relax and widen, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. They are also baked with antioxidants like betalains, which fight inflammation, and vitamins and minerals like folate, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Let me tell you about some of the top benefits of the beets. As an example, for athletes, often you can drink beet juice before workouts to boost stamina and oxygen use. And it also helps regulate blood pressure naturally. It also improves the blood flow, means more oxygen to your brain, which may support memory and focus. It also helps your liver process toxins, so it detoxes your body. And thanks for the antioxidants in the beets, your skin can look fresher and healthier. Now let's talk about how to make the beet juice at home. You didn't need anything fancy, a juicer works best, but a blender and a strainer can also do the trick. And for the basic recipe, we need 2 medium fresh beets, peeled and chopped, and only 1 cup of water. Blend or juice until smooth, strain if needed, but for me, I recommend it to drink it as it is, without a strain, to get all the fibers in the beets. But if you face any problem with the fibers, so you can strain it if you need. And you are done. Now, let me tell you how to boost the flavor and the nutrition. You can add carrot and apple for a sweeter, and you will get more refreshing taste. And also you can add ginger and the lemon for more digestion and immunity. And also, you can add orange juice. The vitamin C here helps your body absorb the iron in the beets. It makes it even better. And also, you can add cucumber and mint for giving you a cooling, hydrating version. Now, let me tell you a tip. Drink it fresh, preferably in the morning or before a workout to get the maximum energy. And now, while beet juice is amazing, it's not for everyone. It can turn your urine or stool reddish. Don't panic, that's normal. Because of its high oxalates, it may increase the risk of kidney stones for some people. If you have low blood pressure, drinking too much may make it drop further. People with kidney problems should be cautious. So, if you have medical conditions, check with the doctor first. And so, are you ready to give beet juice a try? It's simple, powerful, and you can customize it in so many ways. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs an energy boost. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips every week. And cheers for your health with a glass of beet juice.